Hello, everybody. Welcome to the next edition of 5-Minute Fridays here with Red Level. I'm Megan Testani. I'm the Director of Marketing here, and we have an initiative that we do every year called Spring Cleaning. Now, historically, it has been we have all of our clients and our community members come to our offices in either Novi or Grand Rapids, bring in some of that old junk that you have hiding in your IT closets. We take it off your hands for you, recycle it for you, make sure you get a certificate of destruction, and then you get to learn about all the new technologies that you might have available to you. This year, we have to do things a little bit differently. So this year, we're taking spring cleaning and we're making it digital. So we are launching a digital spring cleaning webinar series. First up, we have Ed Obi. He's going to be joining us April 22nd at 12:30 p.m. He is going to be going through Spring Clean Your Systems with an IT health check. So understanding what technologies your organization should deploy through sanctioned measures and make sure that your shadow IT isn't getting away with some things that might be opening you to some security risks. We're going to go through and review some of the IT best practices when it comes to network and server infrastructure, business continuity and security. And then we're going to dig into a little bit of your existing processes and procedures when it comes to your IT systems to see if there's any vulnerabilities that you might have or uncover areas for improvement, whether it be in efficiency, costs, or security. And then, of course, talk about how you can use an IT roadmap to bring your IT resources back up to health. The next in our series is going to be Spring Clean Your Systems through data governance. Now, Valerie Lewandowski is going to be joining us on April 29th at 12:30 p.m. for this webinar. Val is amazing when it comes to data governance. She is the queen of it, in fact. So she's going to help you go through and understand Office 365, what your investment gets you as it is and what tools you can use with just your Office 365 subscription. And let me tell you, there are a lot of them. Then it's going to go into what the governance of your data within Office 365 should look like. For a lot of people, they're using Office 365 and they're using it simply as an email tool. Well, Val is going to go through and show you exactly how you could be using it and how you should be using it, and do it in such a way where that your entire team has that same understanding. And then she's going to go through and answer any questions on how you would build out your governance strategy to make sure that it meets the needs of your organization. Our third one on the docket, one of our newest employees and ads, Mitch is going to be joining us on May 6th at 12:30 p.m. and he's going to show us how to spring clean our systems, specifically when it comes to security. So we're going to go through and talk about how to assess and classify your organization's data, implement and manage information policies and procedures, and respond and analyze using behavioral analytics and machine learning. And this is a key one because there is a lot of hackers out there right now. There's a lot of targeting that's being done, especially now as things like stimulus checks are coming out, or people are working from home more, or on the VPN, or using personal devices to do business work. So this is a huge one that you need to make sure you tune in for. And then he's also going to go into cloud app usage and to identify suspicious user device behavior. So not only just targeting security from an all-around perspective, but taking security to a per user and per device perspective. So first up, we want to make sure that you come and join us for our spring cleaning events. Make sure you register for the IT Health Check Spring Cleaning webinar. You can register at redlevelgroup.com/spring. Thank you and have a great day.